Hey, Martin here, back with another 9-Odd Sound episode. This time we'll be looking at the Zoia by Empress Effects. Firstly, I just need to say that this episode is actually in collaboration with Effektpedaler, a local brick and mortar effect pedal store here in Copenhagen. They kindly lent me this pedal for a couple of weeks to try out, and it's important for me to say that I'm not being paid anything to make this video or say anything in this video, but I will be blabbering on endlessly. The Zoia is of course named after the Nordic god of what the hell is making that racket. Okay, I'll stop being silly. On with the sounds. Okay, the toy piano is into factory preset number 35. It was called the Vangelis reverb, which is a plate reverb into a delay line which is shifted up a fifth, and it's a big shimmer reverb. The algorithm here is a Let's Grain by Red Means Recording, who says it's 2 granular modes with parameters being modulated by LFOs. Turns anything into an ambient wonderland. And I believe him. That was the PO35 played into the Ocean Shifter by Red Means Recording. The Ocean Shifter is 4 independent pitch shifters with also an independent tremolo on each, and reverb and delay, of course, and it's a swirly ambient ocean. The algorithm here was a pitch ring mod, factory preset number 29. And yeah, it's a ring mod that sort of follows the pitches of what you're playing into it. In this case, the square waves of the recorder kind of create a nice sort of fluttery sound and made the square wave both unreal and real. I quite liked it. The OPZ into Faker, which is factory preset number 37, which is a overdrivey alias envelope filter. Pairs nicely with the arpeggios from the OPZ. The algorithm here was emitter verb, which is factory preset number 31. And it's a delay line with a lot of diffusion, so it's like a rhythmic reverb. The sound itself is actually me playing Tupperware into a Walkman cassette and then pitched down a lot. But what could be more odd than the Zoia itself into the Zoia? So of course I took the QS keyboard, which is a factory preset mono synth, and played it back into the cassette delay. A didgeridoo into Lost Woods, factory preset number 38. I also tried the preset Space Fuzz. Anyway, enough of that. Here's a little extra sound, which is a toy keyboard played into the tape landscape algorithm, which is a tape delay with some granular spice. Click subscribe and like if you don't want to miss out on future episodes of 9-Odd Sounds, and check out effektpedaler.dk. And if you're ever in Copenhagen, go visit the store. You gotta remember to support your local brick and mortar stores here. Not many of them left. Here's a glass slide with an ebow played on acoustic guitar into the Grainbach algorithm.